Hi, it's Mike Pangia coming to you from Middle River, Maryland in Baltimore County. Today, we're going to do a classic American dish, particularly popular in the American Southwest, chili. It's my feeling that everybody, every cook, every chef should know how to make a decent chili. So what I'm going to present today is a standard basic chili. It's economical, it's tasty, it's warming, it's great for these cooler months that we're getting into. Fall and winter is very close behind it. So let's make some chili and have fun with it. Here are the ingredients I'll use to make our chili. Some olive oil to saute the onions, about a cup of diced onions, a pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, cayenne pepper. Now we have a little bit of a caution. If you, your family, or your guests don't like things too spicy, you could omit it, or cut the quantity down. If you like spicy, you can make a more generous pinch when you add the cayenne pepper. We have a teaspoon of table salt, about a half a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. The can, it's a 15 or 16 ounce can of diced tomatoes. Same with the kidney beans, it's a 15 and a half ounce can. We have a 16 ounce can of beef broth, and we're going to use 8 ounces of tomato sauce, which is 226 grams. If you prefer to see the ingredients in list form, here they are. Here are the step-by-step instructions for making our chili. We're going to start this project by heating a splash of olive oil in a large pot. Then we'll add the onions and saute them for about 5 minutes until they're transparent. Okay, that's looking pretty transparent on the onions, so I'm going to add in the ground beef. Break it enough so that there's no pink left to the meat. The ground beef is cooked, and what I've done is I've mixed together all of the dry spices so that I can dump them in all at once. There we go. We'll stir that up. Starting to get a nice aroma and color with all those spices added in. I'm putting in the beef broth, the tomatoes along with their juices, and the kidney beans, which I have drained and rinsed. And there you go. And 8 ounces of tomato sauce, that's 226 grams. Now it's just a question of time. We let it simmer for about 45 minutes and we'll be done. Well, after 45 minutes, it looks great and it smells great. I've made one little change. Instead of using just 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste, I poured the whole can in to thicken it more and give it a little more body. There's your chili. I hope you'll make it. It's sure to satisfy your family and your guests. Serve it with cornbread or something, a nice side, and it'll make a spectacular lunch or dinner. remember, if you don't like the heat, don't put so much cayenne pepper in, and you'll experiment. You'll make it once with a pinch or two. Try it, see what you think. If you want it a little hotter, you'll put a little more. If you want it a little milder, of course, you put a little less. So it's been fun. I enjoyed it. I've made some delicious chili. I just had it for dinner. It's really, really good. I think you're going to like it. If you do like it and you haven't subscribed, would you please subscribe? I don't know what's been holding you up, but please subscribe. The next best thing you can do for me is to refer someone else. Get someone else to subscribe, and that'll be a real plus, and I would thank you so much for doing it. Well, it's been fun. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you again next time.